Hey, what is going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on your Hisense Smart TV. This is the one with the Roku TV in it. As you can see, the remote. So you should have the remote just like this one here. So first thing I want to do is go ahead and grab your remote, and I want you to go ahead and press on the home button right here, top right hand side. Press on the home button. Now what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down. So we're going to go down to settings, down to settings. Now what I want you to do is press right on your remote. Press on right, and then we're going to go down. We're going to go all the way down to where it says system. Right there, highlighted in yellow. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the right button on my remote. Now I'm going to go ahead and go all the way down. And we're going to go down to where it says advanced system settings. Right there, advanced system settings. Now I'm going to go ahead and press on the right arrow here. Press on right. Now here's the factory reset right here. Now press right one more time. Now we have two things that we can do. We can reset TV audio and picture settings, or we can go ahead and go down to factory reset everything. Okay, so let me just do this. I'm going to go ahead and reset TV and audio, TV audio and picture settings. Okay, so in order to do this, and you can read down here, you have to press play pause 3 times to reset all TV picture and audio settings to their original default values. Roku account and installed channels are not affected. Okay. So all of your Roku account, you put your password in for your Netflix, your Wi-Fi, your Prime Video, all that stuff is not going to get erased, okay? It's just going to be the audio and the picture settings, okay? Anyways, to continue with this one here, you would press the play pause 3 times. And if you look on the remote right here, here is my play pause right here. So I'm going to click this 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And then this will pop up here. And it says all TV specific settings have been reset to their original values. Okay, great, it's already done. Let me click on OK. Now, if you want to proceed with factory reset settings, I'll go down here. Then you would have to input that code and then simply proceed from there. And that's going to erase everything, okay? So it'll be as if you bought, once you do the factory reset, everything, it's going to be as if you bought this TV brand new and took it out of the box, and then you got to set everything back over, your Wi-Fi password, your language, your Roku account, all your other passwords and other things that you're subscribed to, like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, and so on. So pretty much it. Any questions or anything? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.